Hi dear friend, this is Talia from QLQ, and this is our newest YT stamping machine. It can use to make the brass YT zipper and the stainless steel YT zipper. Now our machine is making the stainless steel YT zipper. It only needs to change some parts of this machine. If you use this machine to make the brass YT zipper before, and now you want to make the stainless steel YT zipper, you only need to change some parts of this machine. Let's see. Okay, the first part you need to replace is this teeth-shaped mold, and this part is used in here. You can see this one is the teeth-shaped mold. And the second part you need to replace is this cut-off front die, and it's used in here. This one is the cut-off front die. And the third part you need to change is this cut-off cutter, and this part is used in here, and this one is the cut-off cutter. And the fourth part is this puncher. This puncher is used in here. When this machine is finished, there will be a part hold the puncher. The puncher is inside the part. Through replacing this part, you can use this machine to make the stainless steel zipper. I hope this video can help to solve your problem.